Morning students, today we are going to study the several other facilities provided by the bank or other instruments which are used by the bank today in the latest scenario. First is automatic teller machine, which is also called as ATM. Sometimes people also call it all time money because it is a facility which provides money 24 hours in a day, and the expenses on which this is less than the human tailor means less than the person who is working in bank, means bank employee. So automatic teller machine is an automatic machine and from which a customer can withdraw the amount up to a specified limit by inserting the ATM card which is provided by the bank and one personal identity number of 4 digits which is called PIN. So by inserting the ATM card in the ATM machine and inserting the personal identity number, PIN number, the one person can withdraw the money from the ATM. This has become very popular nowadays. Almost 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh ATMs are there in our country working nowadays. And seeing the popularity of this ATMs, in that ATM premises only attached with the ATM or beside the ATM, there are several other machines have also been installed by the bank, which is passbook printing kiosk, internet banking kiosk, other devices like cash depositing machine, passbook printer, internet kiosk, information kiosk, phone banking devices, which is also installed next to ATMs. So here ATM has become nowadays a very popular machine. Next is debit card. This is also a facility which is provided by the bank, and a person can get debit card by depositing money into his bank account. If the money is there into his bank account and one has opened a bank account with any of the bank, and then he can get the debit card. From this debit card he can do shopping, he can make instant payment, and but one should have the machine from which the ATM card, debit card can be used. If one is having that particular machine terminal facility, then he can get the money. And when the customer presents his debit card, the terminal automatically transfers money from the buyer's account into the seller's account. Debit card can also be used to withdraw money from the ATM. Nowadays, whatever cards are coming, that is ATM plus debit card. ATM card plus debit card. Now, third is credit card. If one is having good goodwill, good position, or we can say good reputation, he can also obtain a credit card from his or her bank or from any bank. Then a person need not have money in his bank account to get a credit card. Rather, it is a type of overdraft facility, because if somebody has credit card, then he can also withdraw the money from the bank, or he can do shopping, he can do the purchasing from any of the teller machine, any of the machines, or any of the machines which from which where debit card is used, the credit card can also be used. And on this particular credit, the interest is charged by the bank, and up to the specified limit 50,000, 1 lakh, or whatever the limit is of credit card, that much only can be withdrawn from this. And now fourth, one of the famous facilities which is provided by the bank nowadays is SMS alert. This SMS alert is facility is provided to the account holder. He or she gives his account mobile number to the bank, and bank attaches his mobile number in his computer system with his account. Whenever any transaction takes place, maybe debiting the amount, crediting the amount, withdrawing the amount, depositing the amount, or any other facility is taken from the account, any charges are deducted from the amount, or any amount is deposited in the account, then that person gets a SMS in his mobile in which the transaction amount and the available balance is mentioned. So it is also a good facility provided by the bank nowadays. Customer receives all the information about his or her account without visiting the bank. Earlier people used to get their passbook printed, and they used to go to bank and they used to get their passbook printed for looking at the transaction, for seeing whether this transaction has taken place or not. But nowadays, this due to this SMS facility, or with this SMS alert facility, they get the view whether the transaction has occurred or not. So here this topic ends. All the banking latest trends we have studied: e-banking, SMS alert, credit card, debit card, RTGS facility, NEFT facility, difference between RTGS and NEFT. These all we have studied under this discussion, and here this chapter also ends. Banking latest trends. Dear students, from this particular chapter, every year question is asked of 8 marks almost. Maybe one question of 3 marks, another is of 5 marks, or one question is of 2 marks, another is of 5 marks. So maybe 7 to 8 marks questions are asked every year. Sometimes 3 questions are asked, one is of 2 marks, 2 are of 3 marks each, depending upon the question paper. But every year 5 to 7 marks, or sorry, 7 to 8 marks questions are asked from this chapter, and this is also a very practical chapter because we are getting the informations what is going on in the banking nowadays, how the banking has been made easier. So here this topic ends. In our next lecture we will be starting management. Till then, thank you, goodbye.